Facebook, YouTube. This is Rich with Mountain View Carpet Cleaning. I want to kind of go over the steps showing our cleaning process, what we do, and a little bit about us is we've been in the carpet cleaning business since '96. I started this business in 2004. I am the person that does the work, and I want to show you the steps, a little bit about the equipment, the process that we use. Actually, the process we use is the process that Shaw makes up 90% of the carpet in the world, and they recommend hot water extraction, also known as steam cleaning. One of the steps to cleaning is the pre-spray process. What this is a chemical, I guess you should say a detergent. Chemical sounds pretty harsh, but we spray this on the fibers of the carpet, all of the carpet. If you do not put this on the carpet and go to extract it, you're not cleaning the carpets. You'll actually, you have to have this on there. And what this does is it starts the emulsification of the dirt, oils, suspends it. Then the next step that we do that 99% of the carpet cleaners don't do is this is just sitting on top of the fibers. We'll go in there and we will power scrub it. It gives it a little more extra dwell time to for the product to work. Got a little bit of a traffic lane here. Wear pattern. This is a rental home. We black lighted it. There was a little bit of urine right there. We'll end up cleaning this right here. Carpet's in pretty good shape except for a few urine spots. But this is step one. We're going to kind of do this in steps. That way you guys can see. And I'll show you about the equipment and all that once we're done here, but this all been pre-sprayed, hot pre-spray, 260 degrees. Next step is we are gonna power scrub it. Stay tuned. Okay, step two, pre-sprayed everything, nice hot pre-spray. This machine has two counter rotating brushes down on the bottom there, and what this does is it works the pre-spray down in the fibers, scrubs, agitates. I should have mentioned all this product we use is all gold sealed certified cleaning products, no phosphates, butyls, all green, safe for stain resistant carpet. You have a stain resistant carpet, this product is certified. So we're scrubbing all this in. This is where the Chem Dry, the low moisture cleaner guys would stop. You see what's going on there? All that hair, this is digging out. And this is all pre-vacuumed by the cleaning company that just did all the cleaning. But you can see the hair that this pulls out. So if you have allergies, you're buying a new home or new to you home, by all means, this will help get the hair out of the carpet. Will we get 100%? Absolutely not, but we'll get pretty darn close to it. And this is scrubbing the pre-spray down into the fibers, allowing more dwell time for the product to work. It's the highest level of clean. Most guys skip this step. This is kind of like putting toothpaste on a toothbrush and not working it into your teeth. So, yeah, this is where Chem Dry and them would stop. The dirt is still in the carpet. It's an appearance clean, but it's not clean, I promise you that. Stick around, part 3 coming up. Alright, here we are. Now we're doing some steam extraction. The keyword is extracting the soil. It's going down this hose out into the machine, out in the van. I'll just kind of show you. So you can see this right here. This is steam. This would be like your low moisture cleaning. A lot of soil still in the carpet with the low moisture or I don't want to say chemical cleaning they call it, but they leave the dirt behind in hopes that your vacuum cleaner is going to pull it up. The reality is it just don't work that way. So this machine right now, we're flushing the fibers, getting all the soil 260 degrees, lots of suction. All the dirt's going out. Trigger it twice real quick, Dakota, turn the machine down. I'll kind of go show you what's going on. So all the soil and stuff is going into this hose, out into the, show you what the heart of the operation. There it is. Pro Chem Everest 650. It's got a car engine in it. Most of these guys out here, they have a lawnmower motor. Van's a 2019 extended, no oil spills in your driveway. That big machine, that machine's $34,000. Show you behind here. All electric hose reels. There's the back of the machine. A little dirty. I don't want to show you the chemicals because most guys that I watch these videos are carpet cleaners, and I guarantee you they're the best chemicals. So this room's been steam extracted, and then we groomed the carpet, we raked it out. Still has a little bit of that pattern to it, but I think it's just the color of the carpet. The traffic lane came out really, really good. They were talking about replacing this carpet, but it turned out good. Except for you see a little bit of traffic pattern right there. Irreversible. Mountain View carpet cleaning, if it ain't steaming, it ain't cleaning.